अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, आज है पढ़ुन चैप्टर 15 द वर्ल्ड ऑफ प्लांट्स। प्लांट्स आर ऑल अराउंड अस। PLANTS प्लांट्स आर ARER all 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 around 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 US plants are all around us. Plants are our green friends. Plants 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 ARER our green 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 friends FRIENDS friends. Parts of a plant PARTS parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. A plant has 5 main parts. A plant 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 HAS has FIV 5 MAIN main PARTS parts. A plant has 5 main parts. Root 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 STEM stem LEAF leaf FLOWER flower FRUIT fruit. Root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. The leaf makes food for the plant. The leaf 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 makes 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 food. FOOD food FOR for TH the PLANT plant food makes food. The leaf makes food for the plant. Plants are all around us. Plants are our green friends. Parts of a plant. A plant has 5 main parts: root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. Parts of a plant. Which say root go root. You go root. You chasan zaminas. Talkan. Zamin talish root no nasan. Ki underground part of a plant achana root. You chasan underground zaminas tal. You should know nasan. Ki achana root. And pa chasan stem. You go stem. Stem. Gond. Yum go leaves. Panpatar. Leaves. Ligo leaf. It's leaf. Yum go leaves. Varim fan ligo leaf. Leaf the pad go flower. Go back part. Pad go fruit. Acha flowers banan. Fruit. The parts of a plant. Acha 5 parts. Parts of a plant. Ek parts. Plant chasan 5 parts. Ash chasan root. Bits chasan stem. Bits chasan leaf. Bits chasan flower. Bits chasan fruit. Shabash. Yum plants kya chas? Yum chas oin put kya chasan? Plants. Yum chas green friends. Yum chas manan green friends. Pad ge parts of a plant. Ekis plant chasan kya chas? 5 parts ekis 5 hissa chasan. 5 parts hissa ash chasan root. Bego stem, bego leaf, bego flower, bego fruit. Shabash. The world of plants. Plants are all around us. Plants are our green friends. Plants parts of a plant. A plant has 5 main parts: root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. The leaf makes food for the plant. Plant khatra kush banan at kush banan plant se food. Achwana leaf. Leaf ch em plant khatra em kuli khatra karan food tayar. Bas aaj go yutui pagak padau baqi han. Shukriya.